tasers. Where are we going? The airplane? Who are we going to visit? Gilbert Rodie. And who else? And Grandpa Rodie. And Grandpa Ali. And Aunt Kaylee. And Uncle Brian. Red. And Aunt Lauren. Uncle Jake. And Kai. And Kai. And Kai, yeah. Let's see. Yeah. You can see it. Yeah, it's a good video. And Sasha. The little puppy. Yeah. The little puppy. Yeah. This? The camera? Yeah. No way, Jose. Yeah. I don't have the holder. I just want to get a little footage of us going on the airplane because we haven't got any footage at all. Huh? We haven't done any videos at all. We're slacking.
Now them are coming back.
Oh yeah.
I think we can do it today.
Okay.
Ew, what is food?
No. It's just like paper. Don't touch it. See, it's just paper. Don't touch it. I don't. It's just paper. Yeah, okay. Did you want to sit down there? Huh? Did you want to sit? Hey. Hello. Hello. The camera. All I see is your head. I don't see your eyes. Okay. So, say see you guys when we get on the plane. Over here on the camera. Okay. Okay. We're on the plane. I'll just do a video. It's a video. We're on the plane. What's it gonna do?
It's gonna fly.
Fly in the air. You got the window, his backpack ready, and his water ready, and his seatbelt. Is your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
It's all tight?
Yeah.
Ready to go? Check.
Yeah.
Did you see the cockpit where the pilots flew the plane?
Yeah.
All the buttons? That was awesome, huh?
There's a button
Oh, there's a button over here.
And there's a button back.
Push the seat back, yep.
Yep. You put on the seatbelt.
Mm-hmm.
If you push it back, it can make it go down.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's amazing.
And the airplane can whoa.
Whoa. Perfect.
And then the airplane can fire.
And it can fire? Okay. Awesome.
If you push that button,
Okay. Tell everybody that you'll see them.
it's like Kaylee.
Yep. Say I'll see you in Boise.
See y'all Boise.
No, say I'll see you in the Boise.
See y'all to Boise.
Love you, dude.
Sky fire.
The tires. Ready? We're about to land.
We're going to Disneyland.
Disneyland. Nice try, dude. Are we about to land in Boise? How close are we? Oh, it looks pretty close. Oh, we're turning. Are you so excited? You gonna give Grandma a big hug? And Grandpa? Is Grandpa gonna be there? I don't know. He's flying in from Hawaii. Was it good? All good? Everything work out? Let me see your face.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Boise. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your luggage right where it is until we're parked.
Everything okay?
Once the seatbelt light goes off, be careful opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight.
Okay, tell the camera, see you soon.
On top of you. If you're traveling on another Southwest flight, check the
drone, dude. I have one. Really? I didn't bring it up. That'd be sick. All right, we made it.
Made it up here, Donnelly, Idaho, at the Rudolph Retreat.
That's right. It's bright with that sun, but let's see if I can get it. There it is. It's kind of cool. Oh, somebody's calling me while I'm recording. Hello? So we're back. Sorry. I took a little phone call. Look at these trees. Man. Don't see that. At least where we are in Arizona. Looks like he's got some snowmobiles. Oh yeah, but there's no snow. This is the house. Let's go in here and see what these guys are doing. So this is the side of the property. Up here on this lot. YouTube. YouTube's coming. YouTube's coming. Wow.
You do. It looks really good. It's lifted, huh?
On YouTube?
She showed me the.
You trying to get hits?
No,
Look at that view.
it's painful, girl. Let me tell you. She has me doing things like.
There's a hot tub.
Silhouette.
Hey Jake, I would highly recommend not doing that right now. And I'll tell you in 2 seconds why. Hey, nobody leave.
I'm just going where it's cooler. I'm just sitting right up my armpit.
Because I want to try to get this video real quick. Shoot.
Yeah, it bit you, huh?
Yeah.
I think I got bit too.
Dang it.
They want that Arizona blood.
They want that blood. That was on YouTube too. Oof. That one almost, you could like feel it.
Or spice.
There's a little barbecue.
You did great. This place is beautiful. It is.
There's a little deck.
I really like trees. I'm kind of actually super excited to put in the.
Those lights will be cool. Those will look cool.
You can turn all these lights on too.
There's a fire pit right there. We actually have our own dock, but there's a lot. They took all the water down.
Yeah, it's cool.
So no swimming in there right now.
My camera too.
Or jet skis.
I know you did.
Sitting area. Little bummer about the jet ski thing. But we might go into town and do it. I don't know. Yeah. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube. Okay, I'll talk to him. Hey, say what's up. Say what's up.
Hi. What's up, people?
What's up? Kitchen. Loft. That's our little sniper up there. TV, fireplace, closet, kitchen. Gonna have to go kind of quick, y'all. Because we got to get a little bathroom, a little bedroom action. Look, man, well, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. I mean, have you ever seen that before? No, because you can't beat it. Okay. And come over here. And then there's another room. Those are for the kids. Then there's a little washer and dryer area. Then we head into the garage, which is nice and cool in here. Some paddle boards. We're not using any of that, but we will paddleboard, maybe bikes, some fishing poles. I don't know if it's gonna be dark in here. So they got this little kick out up here too. More people could sleep. So my sister and her whole family gonna be up here. Jake, you guys just saw Jake. It's my brother-in-law. They all gonna camp up here. And then there's another room, a couple areas. I'll show you. I think that's a heater. Closet space. Pretty nice. Pretty spacious. And then, hey.
The ice was working, I was fixing it. Hey, don't you?
Okay. And these big windows. Kind of cool. This thing right here, I'd love to show you guys, but I don't want to mess anything up. I don't know if we can kind of see it, but there's a picture on the other side of that. So it flips around. I don't really want to mess with it, but it flips around into a picture, which is kind of cool. Obviously, we're gonna try to keep those kids off that TV for the weekend. There's a little loft area. And then my brother and his wife are gonna be staying in there. And then we got that master bedroom. Little closet. A little storage room in there. Little fan. Ceiling's pretty sick. You got it. They like redone this on real nice. It's kind of cool. Little marble. Cool little shower. It's pretty sick what they did in here. Kind of feeling that. Kind of feeling it. Except for, let me turn this light off. Oh, boom. Got it. All right, y'all. So this is it. This is the spot. I'll be doing some more videos, at least for the weekend. Got the whole family coming. My mom got another cabin, sleeps like 22 people. This one's on the water. We're hoping to use that. So we might have to go up to McCall. We're outside of McCall right now to do that tomorrow. But yeah, so you get to meet a lot of the family basically tomorrow. So we're gonna go get some food. Look at that. Can't beat that. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful land out here. Thank you to Rudy for allowing us to use his space here. Appreciate that. And yeah. We'll be seeing you guys in a few. All right? Peace. You want to say that on camera? Lorita?
Huh? Oh yeah, I beat you in basketball.
Oh. Okay, we'll get it on home.
Okay.
See what happens.
Will do.
Okay.
You want to help me, sir?
Cooking. Alright. Kevin. So we were hanging out in McCall this morning. We were trying to hook up a boat, a couple jet skis. It didn't quite work out. So I'm sorry, there won't be footage for the lakeage action. But we're still gonna have some fun. Maybe head in there and go swimming.
Jason.
Yep.
Can you unlock the car?
Yeah, the keys are in the same spot. I don't have pockets.
Where?
In that little bowl.
It's not open?
It might be.
If it was Shannon, the car would be open. There would be no unnecessary trip upstairs.
It's not upstairs, it's just right there in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, so back to my story. Big trees out here. It's really beautiful. I thought there were some people out here in the front, but there's not. All right, well, I guess we're gonna go around back. I thought my brother was out here, but he's not. So let's see, let's go to the side. So yeah, we're just hanging out. The kids are playing in the hot tub since they took our dock. I don't know if I put that on video, but they took our dock here. So not only can we now have a boat or jet skis like we wanted, which we kind of knew that may happen, but also can't do any of the paddle boarding, the canoeing, nothing. Hello. It's getting crazy around here, but we're having the fun we can do. So let me show you these guys. Look at all these kids. Look at all these kids.
Well, she said it with a muff.
Let me see her. Say hi, YouTube.
She's a pretty
Say hello, friends. Hello, friends.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Happy birthday, Jay.
Thank you.
Wait for the birthday. 40.
Shannon told me that you said that.
What was that?
They're totally your friends. Because she took a video and they're like, we didn't sign a waiver for that. Because that would make people sign waivers.
Classic cliche,
Yeah.
we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Then tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really wanna take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on. How to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away. You really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on.
Did you get a ice cream sandwich? Cool.
He wasn't even.
No, the ice cream sandwich got her.